Hey guys, Robbie here. We are here at Big Cypress Lodge here in Memphis, Tennessee at Bass Pro Shops in the Pyramid. I've got to say this place is awesome. So this is a Bass Pro that has a hotel inside of it. As you see, I am on our balcony right now from our hotel. If you look behind me, we've got some bighorn sheep back there. There is an elevator that goes all the way to the top. Here in this video, I show a little bit of around the facility of Bass Pro and also a room review and tour of the room itself. Check this out.